name is Walid and I'm a sales manager here at Granutools. Today, we will talk about the importance of environmental conditions in powder characterization. But first, let's talk about process conditions. When it comes to powder characterization, the process conditions are very important. You must have an equipment that will have process conditions as close as your industrial process. This means that the flow fields and the stress state inside the equipment and inside the process must be comparable. But what about the environmental conditions? Temperature and humidity can have a huge impact on a powder's flowability. Being able to measure powder at high temperature or at several humidity can improve your quality control and make your data more relevant. Do not miss our next webinar about environmental conditions. In this webinar, we will show you results with the high temperature Granu drum, the high temperature Granu pack, and our humidity conditioner, the Granumidity. For more information about our webinar, please visit www.granutools.com.